Hi everyone, welcome to today's property tour. I'm excited to share with you a gorgeous luxury home. It's brand new construction and located in a community called Herd Farm. It's the Joplin floor plan and it's fully customizable. It can be built to be 3 bedrooms or up to 5 bedrooms. Plus, there's the option of an attached casita. It's such a stunning house built to look like a modern farmhouse. The floor plan starts at $769,000. Such a gorgeous house. Currently, there are 7 lots available. If you're curious to learn more about this house or any other one, reach out. All the information is below. And if you find value in the video, please like and subscribe so you can join the family and know when the next video comes out. Stay tuned until the end as I will share more about the neighborhood and surrounding areas. Wow, what a gorgeous house! But what I love most is the location. This house is located in Herd Farm. It's a community tucked away in Phoenix in an area called South Mountain. The location is great for those who want to be in or near Phoenix, yet not feel like you're living in Phoenix with all the hustle and bustle. It's a short 15 minutes away from Central Phoenix and the Phoenix Airport. Plus, if you work in Scottsdale, that's only 30 minutes away. So if you're ready to explore getting into this house or a different one, reach out. All the information is below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.